Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day. Now, granted, volume dropped down quite a bit, but volume had just been absolutely insane. So even though volume dropped down, it was still extremely heavy. But want to get a couple things updated here now that we have more data. First, I'm going to do is actually adjust this level of support up to that area right there at the 35-cent mark. 35 cents is what I would now call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be, well, ideally, if the price can stay above 35 cents, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price drops below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line continues to come into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of this current movement right there, that's how I'm defining the movement that's been playing out. Just stay above that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Now, there is a little bit of perspective. I mean, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 15 minutes, well then, yeah, from that angle, you don't really care about, these levels of support I'm talking about. But the comments I'm making are definitely geared towards those people that have more of a, a bigger picture viewpoint of things. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if the price, is going to start to work its way back upwards, first key area of resistance going to be right there at the 50-cent mark. And I'm just going to leave it at 50 cents for now. I mean, if the price gets up there through 50 cents, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But as of right now, these are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. So today just seemed to be a nice little day of consolidation, but let's see how the price continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.